If you're thinking of using a humidifier, this video is for you. We're going to talk about a couple of warnings and a couple of precautions, as well as identify the groups of people that should be cautious or avoid using a humidifier altogether. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon in order to be informed of all our new daily videos, starting with individuals with mold or mildew allergies. Using a humidifier can increase indoor humidity levels, creating a favorable environment for mold and mildew growth. People with mold or mildew allergies may experience worsened symptoms if they are exposed to these allergens, and it's always essential to clean or maintain the humidifier regularly in order to prevent mold and mildew buildup. And if you notice that you're facing mold, then it's best to avoid using the humidifier altogether. Second group of people is people with respiratory infections. Now, while humidifiers can really help to relieve symptoms of respiratory infections such as colds by helping to moisten the dry nasal passages and also soothe coughs, they can also worsen symptoms if they are not used properly. Bacteria or mold in the humidifier can potentially worsen respiratory conditions or even cause additional problems with the respiratory tract. Third group of people is individuals with asthma. Now, people with asthma may benefit from using a humidifier to maintain optimal humidity levels and alleviate dry air symptoms. Others might find that increasing humidity does worsen their asthma symptoms. It's really essential here for anyone with asthma to monitor their indoor humidity levels and consult with their doctor before using a humidifier. Fourth group of people is people with COPD, and that is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Individuals with COPD may have sensitive respiratory systems that are easily irritated by changes in humidity levels. High humidity will worsen their symptoms and will lead to shortness of breath, coughing in some people with COPD. It's always advisable to consult with your doctor before using a humidifier if you do suffer from COPD. Fifth group of individuals is those with allergic reactions to humidifier additives. Humidifiers use additives such as essential oils or chemical-based solutions in order to enhance the water's aroma or antimicrobial properties. However, these additives may cause allergic reactions or respiratory irritation in very sensitive individuals. It's always essential to read the product labels carefully and avoid using humidifiers with additives if you do have known strong allergies or sensitivities. Number 6 is individuals with cardiovascular conditions. High humidity levels can make it very difficult for the body to regulate temperature, potentially placing additional strain on the cardiovascular system. With cardiovascular conditions such as heart failure or even hypertension, may experience worsened symptoms in excessively humid environments. Number 7 is infants and young children. So humidifiers can be very beneficial for babies and young children, especially those suffering with respiratory issues or even dry skin. So it's always crucial to use them cautiously and maintain optimal humidity levels. Excessive humidity or improperly cleaning the humidifiers can increase the risk of mold growth and respiratory infections in infants and young children. Lastly is elderly people. Older adults may have a weakened immune system and respiratory systems that are more susceptible to the effects of mold, bacteria, or excessive humidity. So it's always important to use humidifiers cautiously and regularly clean and maintain them in order to reduce the risk of respiratory infections and other health issues in elderly people. These were the 8 groups of people that should be careful when you're using a humidifier and a couple of people that should avoid using them altogether. If you've enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.